Lesson 7, Talking about the weather.
Hi, Alex.
Hi, Sarah. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too.
It's a beautiful day today.
Yes, it's sunny and warm.
Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, I do. It makes me happy. How about you?
I like it, but sometimes it's too hot. What's the weather like tomorrow?
I think it will rain.
Oh no, I don't like rainy days.
Me neither. But we can take an umbrella.
Good idea. Do you think it will be cold tomorrow?
Maybe. We should wear a jacket.
Yeah, I don't like being cold. It was very windy yesterday.
Yes. My hat almost flew away.
Haha. Windy days are fun, but not too much wind. Do you like snowy weather?
Yes. I love playing in the snow.
Me too. We can make a snowman. Have you ever seen a thunderstorm?
Yes. The lightning was so bright.
And the thunder was so loud. It was a little scary. Winter is coming. It's getting colder.
Yes, we should wear warm clothes.
I love wearing cozy sweaters. Summer is my favorite season.
Me too. We can go to the beach.
Yes, I love swimming in the sea. I hope the weather is nice this weekend.
Me too. Maybe we can go to the park.
That sounds great. Okay, see you later.
See you?